All right, so here we have the leg press machine. 3 main points of adjustment: your backrest and the length of where you need to sit, short or long. This is more based on your height. The taller you are, the further you want to be away. The shorter you are, the closer you want to be to the pad. The third part is your weight. Most common mistake people make is they don't adjust the weight before they get into the machine. I'm gonna keep it at 110 pounds. I like my backrest a little bit further away. I'm a bigger guy. I'm gonna sit in it. I'm gonna get my leg up, opposite leg up, hold my handles, and press out. Nice and controlled, breathing in, bracing my core, pressing out. If I want the machine to come closer to me, get off, move it a little bit closer. It's gonna be a little bit harder to get in, but now you've increased your range of motion. Leg in, leg out, brace the core, exhale, inhale. Now, I've increased my range of motion. Notice I can bring my legs all the way into my core without the weights touching each other.